what is the difference between SEO and SEM?
So, yeah, this question is quite common for everyone. So, SEO stands for search engine optimization, while SEM stands for search engine marketing. As I told you, I am not an SEO guy. I don't have an interest in SEO, but my friend Kanish is in complete SEO person. He is into SEO. So SEO will help you for a longer period of time if you are doing SEO and if you have website. So it will help you in a long period. While SEM is in paid marketing, PPC. You will pay for your ad, pay for your website to show it in the first or second rank of the Google page. So it is quite for a shorter period of time. You are spending a lot of money for SEO. While for SEO you will not spend a lot of money. You will it is an organic. So I divide this in organic and inorganic part. So in social media also you have organic, inorganic. You paid for Insta ad, Facebook ad, while you grow a lot on organic aspect. As you know, Insta Reels is working quite well for people right now for social media. So if you need a organic reach on social media, I guide people do reels, make contents, and go make viral your content. You don't know how many content you will make, and you also don't know that how many content will go viral. But keep on making content. मुझे ऐसे भी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं सर आप सोशल मीडिया एडवाइजर हो आप डिजिटल मार्केटर हो देन योर फॉलोअर्स आर व्हाई योर फॉलोअर्स आर लेस so ऐसे क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं so I tell one thing only. I don't post content. I don't have that much amount of time for me to post content. I will post content in future. I am planning for that only. But as I told you, I am still a learner. I believe I am not an experienced person right now, but I am still learning for myself. When I will get full fledged into this world, digital marketing world, then I will decide हाँ मुझे पोस्ट करना है बट आई नो हाउ टू ग्रो ऑन सोशल मीडिया वेर एज वी वेर हैविंग टिकटॉक एट दैट टाइम TikTok was a platform which was growing quite well with faster amount of followers and downloaders for them. So in TikTok, I posted like 10 contents. In that, two contents were viral. So the two contents got 1 million or 2 million views, and I got like 15,000 followers. So I was having that amount of followers on TikTok. So yeah, you have to know which content will work for people, which content will work for them, and वो content कोई भी हो सकता है like comedy content, you will give fitness or motivation content or sad content. Right now we have lot of influencers who are working for Insta Reels, so you already know so that making content is quite tough job. लोगों को लगता है कि हाँ इजी है बट थिंकिंग अबाउट दैट कंटेंट पार्ट इज वेरी टफ you also make content on your on this board infinity platform. You know that how difficult it is to make content. You have to think a lot for that. So yeah, SEM part, as I told you, it is for a shorter period of time. You will spend a lot of money. You are spending money for them, and when your money works quite well, it is a chance that your ad will show up and it will be on the top page. But if your SEO is working and you are not depending on the paid part for a longer period, then you have to do SEO. And it is compulsory that आप पेड करो ना करो मैं ऐसा बोलता हूँ कि एसईओ तो करना ही चाहिए लोगों को बिकॉज if you want an organic result for a longer period of time and you don't have many of the startups person who has just started his business don't have lot of money for them so they use this organic part so yeah for me the organic part is important and then the inorganic part